Alexa, turn on the pump.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the pump.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the pump.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the pump.
Okay.
The components required for this experiment are ESP32 board, relay, DC water pump, breadboard, battery, connecting wires and connecting cable.
Now log into the Arduino IoT Cloud website. Enter the username and password and click the sign in button. Now from the left side menu, go to Things. Here click on the plus thing button. Here we can rename the thing name to Control Water Pump with Amazon Alexa. Click here, click Rename and click on the Rename button. Now here we need to add one variable. Click this Add button and give the variable name as Pump. And select the variable type as Switch. Now click the Add Variable button. Now select this Select Device under Associated Device. Here set up new device and then select third party device. Here we are using ESP32 board, so select that and select the model as ESP32 DEV module. Now click Continue. Here we can enter any device name. Click Next. Here we need to copy the secret key. Select this checkbox and click Continue. And finally click Done. Now we need to configure the network. For that, click the Configure under Network menu. Here enter the Wi-Fi username and password. Here paste the secret key which we copied and click Save. Now go down and under Smart Home Integration, click Configure and here select Connect to Alexa and then select the Got It button. Now go back to the main menu, select Dashboards. Click the plus dashboard button. Now here also we can rename the dashboard name to Control Water Pump with Amazon Alexa. And click on the Rename button. Here click this Edit button, click Add and add a switch widget. Here click the Link Variable button and link with the variable which we created Pump. Select that and click the Link Variable button and here click Done. Now go back to the main menu and select Things. Here click the thing which we created. Now go to Sketch. Here the basic template will be generated. I have already wrote the program, so I am just copy pasting the program and you can see the program link in the video description. Now connect the ESP32 board to your laptop. Here this button will be enabled after you connect. Now click this upload button and upload the program to the ESP32 board. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the ESP32 board. Now we can set up the Amazon Alexa application. For that, download the Amazon Alexa application from the Play Store. Now open the application.
Here go to More and then click on Skills and Games. From the search box, search for Arduino. And from the result, click on the first one. Here click Enable to Use. Now the Arduino IoT Cloud account will be linked with the Amazon Alexa application. Now the account is looking for the variable which we created in the Arduino IoT Cloud dashboard. Now click Next. Here click Skip. Click OK. Now we got the switch widget which we created in the Arduino IoT Cloud account. Now we can check the output through Amazon Alexa application.
We can also check the output through the Arduino IoT Cloud Remote application. Download this application from the Play Store. Now once you open the application, you can see the dashboard which we created in the Arduino IoT Cloud website. Now click on the dashboard, and from here also we can check the output.
Alexa, turn on the pump.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the pump.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the pump.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the pump.